Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here you can see this is Reconnect 43-inch LED TV. Here you can see the model number 43F4382. This is the model number. This is 2018 model. You can see in the sticker. Here also you can see the model number. So now let's see the problem. Friends, now I turned on the LED TV. Here you can see the red light indicator. Now we have to press standby button. Here you can see in the top side of the LED TV there is a horizontal lines are there. Then our display is going to be in pink color. Then it is turning into white display. So this is how the problem looks like. So let's see how to fix this type of problems in our LED TVs. So I opened the back cover. Here you can see this is the combi board, integrated power supply and the motherboard. Then here you can see the display number. This is the BOE panel. Here you can see the display decon board. Friends, I tested all the voltages in the decon board. There are many voltages are missing due to panel shortage. There is a shortage in the panel. Now we have to check whether the shortage is there in right side or else shortage is there in the left side. So in the first step, now I am going to remove the right side FFC cable. Now I removed the right side strip. Let's see what happens. Standby. Now I am releasing the standby. Here you can see this is how this look like after removing the right side FFC cable. So now we have to connect right side strip. In the second step, now we have to remove left side strip. Now let's turn on the LED TV. Now we have to release the standby. Yes friends, now you can see now the right side half picture is there. In this picture you can observe that the right side panel is okay. Our shortage is there in the left side. Friends, now I clearly show you the off picture. Wait a minute, I will press any button. Yes friends, here you can see the off picture is clearly visible. The another off picture is not there. To fix this problem, we have to block the shortage line in the left side. Any of the bonding line should be in short condition. For that this type of problem is occurring. So now you have to check the CKV tracks. Here they are mentioned the CKV tracks. In the right side they mentioned the CKV tracks, but in the left side they are not mentioned the CKV tracks. Friends, in the right side they are mentioned the CKV tracks. Using that point, we have to test the left side CKV tracks using the multimeter in the continuity mode. Now I tested the CKV tracks and blocked that line, that shorted line, to remove the short. So now we have to see the result. Let's turn on the LED TV. Now I am going to connect the plug. Now we have to release the standby also. Yes friends, now you can see now our white display problem is fixed using taping method. Here we blocked the left side CKB tracks. Because of that we are getting that type of problem. So this is the temporary solution, this is not the permanent solution. To get the permanent solution we have to replace the display itself. Friends, here you can see now our problem is fixed perfectly. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.